Why does your scanner show the P0234 engine code? What does it mean? Diagnostic trouble code P0234 indicates a turbocharger or supercharger A overboost condition. It indicates that the engine control module, ECM, has detected dangerously high boost pressure levels in the vehicle. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error could be caused by these possible faults in your car: a damaged or sticking turbocharger or supercharger wastegate, a sticking wastegate control valve solenoid, a clogged wastegate control hose, defective or corroded wiring or connections to the boost pressure sensor, faulty wiring or connections to the knock sensor, a bent rod from the discharge gate actuator to the discharge gate in the turbo, a faulty turbocharger, boost sensor or actuator. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This engine code appears in various OBD2 vehicles. Commonly comes in Ford vehicles, Chevrolet or GMC, Volkswagen or Audi Group, BMW, Subaru, Volvo. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.